Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to draw a vertical dotted line in Google Sheets. So let's started. Now we can say in this video I will show draw a vertical dotted line. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for drawing option, then select from the line option. Now draw a line. Now going to the line dash option. Now click for a dotted option, then click for the line width option. Now click for a 8px. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then I show add draw dotted vertical line is Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.